How to fix DLL not found or missing on your Windows computer. Here are some general fixes that may help you fix DLL not found or missing on your Windows computer. Method 1. Check for app and/or system updates. Method 2. Restart. Your computer. Method 3, restore the deleted DLL from recycle bin. Method 4, run a virus. Or malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security. Method 5, use System Restore. Method 6, use System. File checker. Run these commands as admin, sfc/scanodism.exe, /online/cleanupimage/restore health. Method 7, update system drivers. Method 8, clean installation. Of problematic software, using the recommended uninstall tool in this video guide, and/or Windows.